Marketing nearly broke my business, not because I didn't have a good product, but because every time I wanted to grow, I hit the same wall: creative production. Agencies quoted thousands per month, freelancers weren't always fast enough, and I still needed more ads, more variations, more content to properly test. So today I'm running a real experiment. I'm testing whether one AI tool can help me produce marketing creatives at a fraction of what I used to pay. Now, if it works the way it has in my experience, this could completely change how small business approach marketing production from my perspective. Quick transparency before we continue. In this video, I've partnered up with Holo. I'll be showing how I personally use it in my workflow. Also, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute personal, financial, or business advice. See, marketing today isn't about one perfect ad, it's about volume, testing, variations. One creative rarely works on its own. You need multiple angles, hooks, formats, and versions. And producing that volume is expensive and time consuming. Freelancers can be affordable per piece, but once you start testing properly, costs add up fast. I mean really fast. Agencies can help, but timelines, revisions, and production cycles often slow things down. And then there's UGC style content, which adds more coordination and editing. So the real challenge for many business owners isn't creativity, it's speed, scale, and cost of production. As a result, this is what I wanted to test. Can AI help reduce the time and cost involved in producing marketing creatives? Not replacing strategy, not replacing media buying, just supporting creative output, ads, visuals, short videos, variations. Because for many small businesses, that's the biggest bottleneck, and I include my business in that fold too. And that's where Holo comes in. Holo is a tool designed to help businesses generate marketing creatives based on their brand and website information. Today I'm using it the same way I use it in my own workflow to compare it with traditional creative production. So here's the game. I've got 8 ads on screen. Some were created through traditional agency styles of production, some were generated using AI tools like Holo. Now, the big question is, which one do you believe is AI generated? Comment in the comments and let me know. And I'll comment in the comments to let you know whether you're right or wrong. Anyways, let's see if you can tell. Now, here's what surprised me. Several of these creatives were generated using Holo, but for producing large volumes of test creatives quickly, it's been very useful in my own personal workflow. Compared to what I previously spent on creative production, it has significantly reduced my costs. See now, if you like what you're seeing, Holo has done this a massive favor by sharing me a discount code with my audience, and if you like it, check out the top link in my description to get going. Anyways, let me show you how quickly this actually works. First and foremost, you paste in your website URL and build something called your brand profile. That includes your colors, fonts, tone, positioning. Now, if you don't have a website, you can input your brand details manually. So this covers everyone from our perspective once again. Now, once that is set up, it helps generate the following: image, ads headlines, variations, hooks, CTA options, product visuals. This helps speed up the creative process compared to traditional back and forth production. See, UGC style creatives are popular in performance marketing. This feature allows you to experiment with that format more efficiently without needing to coordinate creators, editors to every single test. See, one of the biggest challenges I've realized with AI tools is consistency, and what I did like here is that it aims to stay aligned with your brand identity, fonts, colors, and tone, so creatives don't feel random. Now, as an entrepreneur, and I've found this helpful myself, I think that is definitely helpful for entrepreneurs, but I want to add to that list, solo entrepreneurs, small teams, founders testing offers, businesses that have a website but struggle with creative production volume. Even agencies can use tools like this to speed up production, really and truly. I'm not saying AI once again replaces every part of marketing. Strategy, offer, and positioning still matter the most, but if creative production has been slowing you down, tools like this can be worth testing as a part of your workflow. There's of course a top link once again in my description that takes you straight away to Holo if you want to try and test it. And decide for yourself once again to see whether this actually suits your business and your workflow. With that said, I do hope you found this video helpful and useful. It's time for me to round it up, and if you did, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'll see you on the next video, where we are of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship. As always, take care now. Bye bye.